They are heroes in a fur coat, serving humanity with every ounce of their being. It is important to remember that these working dogs are still dogs. They need exercise, play, and affection, just like any family pet. Their job is very demanding, and their handlers know how important it is to let them relax and just be a dog. The work they do is a testament to the breed's amazing capabilities. They show us what is possible when a dog's natural instincts are channeled in a positive way. These German Shepherds are not just working, they are fulfilling their destiny. They are heroes in a fur coat, serving humanity with every ounce of their being.